As you can see, the Timothy that bought baby 500,000 and paid 200 for a ritual is on the run. We are here to
more naughty person no go see for Naija and naughty person no go dey hear. Wetin dey happen? Why people get some kind heart when e be say e not clear? Let me welcome our amazing people, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you guys for always checking on me. Much love to you all. I so much appreciate you guys for the love you guys have been showing me. Keep on supporting me. My people, keep on watching my video. Share my video. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you guys. So today's video, we won't talk about this woman when I say sit down there. So when you sit down, put her for waist. Me wanna say as some people get hearts when it be say it's strong past rock. This woman when you do it like ground, they don't they use again. In your picking, carry and go sell for one Igbo man. He sell her about 500k, something like that, yeah. So he blessed the man can't give her 200k, and he can't carry picking for the man. So because the man not pay and finish now, this woman can't carry two left leg go human rights, go report for. They say he said picking, the man not pay her money. You know, pay the money finish. Pikin already give the man. According to the human rights people, so they say it be like say the man go use the pikin for, you know, he want to do money. So now make the man quick return the pikin. Now maybe the pikin they alive. They say the man they run. The man they run. They don't know where he run enter. Maybe say so woman get mind. This woman not fit us in a poverty o lamb. Now which now in the warrior. Yes, if they carry camera show her now see how she dey shine, she carry bag, she do hair. Which poverty all I be na the money we take sell the pikin. See how she do face like innocent. Sometimes I'll be saying it to some people that you will just see them, oh, this person is very calm, is very quiet. Wetin dey their mind? We will they do our own art. Like if you just give me back, I go give you back to back. It go be draw. All those kind of people wait they if you try that, they will try you back. They not be human being. They'll then get bad mind pass. Seeing this woman alone is like a slow poison. He wear earring, he wear whether gold or fake gold where he wear for neck they shine. So what another boy will give him belena, you see go say. Yeah? Why some women be like this? You know one born picking. If your own picking when you say you sell art, may they do money. Now your own blood, now your blood you sell art. Tomorrow now, if life they miserable for you, your picking they call your mother witch. They call people around you will be witch, and meanwhile now you witch yourself. How can you open your two naked eye, your own child? You sell her art because of money. That man they send her poverty. See, she wanna see this woman so only the skin. He let you know say na poverty. Meanwhile, they are brother, no shine richer. Which kind of poverty all? So women get mind. When they say so women get mind, where they say mind, your own picking where you born. If the father do you bad, now the pikin you won't copy. Swear where you go kill the papa. Not be the pikin you want face. Yes, not be the pikin. If you not be train the pikin, cannot go give your papa people. Any other want do a family make they go do one. If you be say you not fit train. My people out there, Nigeria not easy. Nigeria not easy. You not go carry una to that extent where una go take say una all pikin. Now una won't go give people, go sell for people because of money. It's not advisable. May una use una head. Pure water dey there. Go and sell pure water. Not be cripple. Now, one woman when get one leg. I say cripple. One woman when he get one leg, when he be say somebody help. When he don't get about 40 million for your account now. That will not be human being. Sell pure water. No let that devil use you say, may you go sell your own pikin. People when they sell pure water now they make her. It's not advisable. If you cannot take care of your own child, see your toto, use something to close your bekus. Your pino, close them. Yes, chest time. If you not say nobody to help you, find out you will take chest time. Go use your pino to do ashara. take feed that your pikin that you say you go sell am. E no good at all. E no good. If that man carry the pikin now, go say he boss here, follow everywhere like wetin I no know. If that man carry the pikin now, go use her do money now, they buy the pikin now. Your conscience no go judge you, madam. Me una dey use una brain sometimes. Una na the way I dey talk about this our generation, the way it scatter as it I no just understand. But the this time, what you concern people where they want take off, say na they won't buy a person. But now there's everybody won't reach overnight. My people, what do you say about this old video? Drop your comment below. Your comment, drop comments that will make this woman brain or may give people sense out there. Let some people learn, let them learn from this. Okay, don't forget to share this video. God bless you guys. See me again on my next video.
As you can see, the Timothy that bought baby 500,000 and paid 200 for a ritual is on the run. We are here to invite this young man to our office for the fact that we were told that he bought baby 500,000 from this lady and he paid just 200,000 just to come and declare himself and explain to us he has been on the run. This man here bought a baby 500,000 from this lady, baby of a year, and he paid just 200,000. The money is not our issue, but it's ugly. So we came here just to invite him so he can come and explain and we can recover the baby. Okay, when we went to talk to the security section, he just left. We have been calling him. He bought baby from this woman 500,000. We know she's greedy for selling baby out of poverty. But now Timothy is on the run. We respected him. We never wanted to talk to anybody. Just to come to our office, explain and provide the baby. Nobody know what he bought the baby for. And he couldn't even pay this lady. Thank God that head is not for sale. Because if he has paid this lady will not cry out to our office.